of a unique field experience opportunity that's available at the Oshawa Public Libraries. So you'll see in the slides that I have a little snip from the job posting, and the job posting should also be posted along with the slides. And what you'd be doing if you applied for this placement is probably during the month of December, you'd have some meetings with the Oshawa Library staff, and you would learn a little bit about their coding club that they offer to children and youth. And then together with the library staff, you would develop, and eventually in January, February, March, April, and possibly into May, the first week of May, you'd complete about 7 to 8 hours of placement each week, planning weekly coding club activities for the participants. So you see here, you'd be using Scratch, Python, and Glitch. Those are the coding applications that they're going to use in the club. And it's unique. It begins this fall. If you're interested, please reach out to me, susan.pratt@durhamcollege.ca. This is the posting that I have. Oops, sorry. There. You'll see this is the full posting that's there. Okay, the field placement supervisor. This person is an IT professional. They have a master's in information science. This is the description. So if you're interested, let me know. I know the form does say at the bottom to submit the form to Liz Campbell. You will submit it to Liz, but let me know because this is a unique opportunity. Thanks.